Hi, friends. Today we're going to do a very quick writing exercise that will help you with your vocabulary. We're going to learn 3 new words and we're going to write some sentences so we can put these words into context. I will give you general definitions, but I've also included links below to Merriam-Webster's website where you can find the formal definitions and pronunciations. The 3 words I've selected today for us to play around with are recognize, sacrifice, and acquiesce. Recognize, sacrifice, and acquiesce. We're just going to play around with doing a little bit of writing and put each one of these words in a sentence so we can better understand them. Let's get started with recognize. And recognize is a verb, an action word, and it means to understand. All right, let's see what kind of sentence I can come up with for, or what kind of sentence I can use recognize in. Okay. All right, here's what I've got for recognize. I failed to recognize her at first because she had changed so much. So you can imagine if you haven't seen someone you've known in the past for a long period of time, you may not recognize them. You may not you may not know them right away because they've changed so much. Anyway, let me try another sentence using recognize. Let's see what I can come up with. All right. Here's another sentence I came up with for recognize. The teacher was quick to recognize the student's improvement. So the student has improved and the teacher understood, the teacher recognized the improvement. Some similar words to recognize would be understand, know, to realize. Those are similar words. Again, recognize means to understand. All right, let's move on to our second word for today, sacrifice. And sacrifice can either be a noun, a word that represents a person, place, or a thing, or it can be a verb, an action word. And sacrifice means an offering or to offer. All right. I'm going to first use sacrifice in a sentence, the noun version of sacrifice. Okay. All right. Here is sacrifice as a noun, or the sentence that I use sacrifice in as a noun. She made a great sacrifice to ensure her children had better opportunities. Many of us, I know my parents sure did, they sacrificed a lot so that my brother and I could have good opportunities in life. In this case, this lady, she sacrificed. She made a great sacrifice. All right, let's try sacrifice as a noun and let's use it in another sentence and let me see what I can come up with. All right, here's another sentence using sacrifice as a noun. Winning the championship required sacrifice and discipline. So you can imagine any kind of competition or sporting type event. The people involved usually have to practice a lot. They have to sacrifice um, time with other things they could be doing, and requiring a lot of discipline. In that case, is requiring sacrifice, giving up their time, and definitely putting a lot of energy into whatever in order to win a championship. All right, now let's use sacrifice as a verb in a sentence. Let me see what I can come up with. Okay. She chose to sacrifice her free time to help her sister prepare for the exam. Okay. Her sister apparently has an exam coming up, and she is sacrificing, say she has a day off, sacrificing her free time. She's giving up her free time in order to help her sister. It's awfully nice of her, right? All right. That's sacrifice as a verb. Let's try it again in another sentence. Okay. Okay, here's sacrifice again as a verb this time. They sacrificed a weekend getaway so they could save money for their new home. Many of us know this. When we want something or we need something, um, and we gotta basically give up something in order to get something. We have to, in this case, they sacrificed their weekend getaway. So whatever plans they had, that they were going to spend money on a hotel or whatever, they gave that up instead in order to save that money so they could afford their new home. All right, that is sacrifice as a verb. And let's move on to the last word, and that's acquiesce. And acquiesce is a verb, an action word, and it means to agree. Okay, let's see what kind of sentence I can use acquiesce in. Okay, he eventually chose to acquiesce to the committee's decision. So whatever decision the committee made, he might not have liked it, but then he chose to acquiesce, to agree with it, and go along with it. All right, let's try acquiesce in another sentence. Okay. All right. Rather than argue, she decided to acquiesce and move on. Okay, so whatever thing she feels like she's going to argue about, she just decided to let it go. She decided to agree with whatever said so she could just move on and not have some long or heated, argument over whatever it is. But some similar words to acquiesce is to agree, to consent, to adopt, to tolerate, to abide by something. That's acquiesce. Anyway, three interesting words: recognize, sacrifice, and acquiesce. Play around with these words and, just use them in a sentence. Make them part of you so they're accessible to you when you use them when you're speaking or when you're writing, or you'll pick them up when you're reading. But they just help to expand your vocabulary and your knowledge of other words that you can use besides words that may be too simple when you want something a little more refined. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Take care and happy writing.